Filing for divorce in California. Process and how Divorce661.com can help. Filing for divorce in California involves several steps, and missing any part of the process can lead to delays or court rejections. At Divorce661.com, we handle everything for you, ensuring your divorce is completed efficiently and correctly. Here's how the process works and how we make it easier. Step 1. Meet the residency requirements. To file for divorce in California, one spouse must have lived in the state for at least 6 months, and in the county where they're filing for at least 3 months. Step 2. File the divorce petition. The first official step is filing a petition for dissolution of marriage with the court. This form tells the court that you are requesting a divorce. If you work with us, we prepare this for you and file it correctly with your county court. Step 3. Serve the divorce papers. After filing, the other spouse must be legally served with the divorce paperwork. This step is crucial, and improper service can delay your case. We guide you through this process to ensure it's done correctly. Step 4. Exchange financial disclosures. Both spouses must provide full financial disclosures listing assets, debts, income, and expenses. This step helps ensure a fair division of property. Many people struggle with these forms, but we handle them for you to avoid common mistakes. Step 5. Negotiate and finalize a settlement agreement. If you and your spouse agree on everything, such as property division, spousal support, child custody, and child support, you can submit a marital settlement agreement instead of going to court. We draft this for you, ensuring it meets legal requirements. Step 6. Submit the final judgment package. Once all paperwork is completed, a judgment of dissolution is filed with the court for final approval. This is the last step before your divorce is finalized. Courts are strict about how this is formatted, and we ensure it's done correctly to prevent rejections. How Divorce661.com makes the process easy. Many people try to file for divorce on their own but get stuck when paperwork is rejected or when they don't know the next step. A couple recently came to us after attempting to file themselves. After months of delays, they were frustrated and just wanted it done. We took over, corrected their filings, and resubmitted everything. Within weeks, their case was finalized. At Divorce661.com, we handle the entire process, from preparing documents to e-filing and court submissions. No need for court appearances, no costly attorney fees, just a smooth, stress-free divorce. If you're ready to start your divorce, contact us at Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll take care of everything.